Mathematics Class 11 Chapter 12 Introduction to the Three-Dimensional Geometry. In the last class we have studied exercise 12.2. Today we shall study exercise 12.3. But before we start, let us recall the section formula. The coordinates of the point that divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in the ratio m:n internally is given as mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. If it is externally, then replace this plus positive sign divided by the negative sign. Okay, I have shown by the blue ink. With this, we'll start the exercise 12.3. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -2, 3, 5 and 1, -4, 6 in the ratio number 1, 2:3 internally and number 2, 2:3 externally. Let P divide the line segment joining the points. I call this as A, -2, 3, 5 as x1, y1, z1 and this one B, 1, -4, 6 as x2, y2, z2 internally in the ratio given to us 2:3, call it m:n. You have got the section formula and all the values are here. So let us replace the value. The first coordinate is m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. So here m is 2. So here 2 into x2, that is 1. So 2 into 1 plus n, that is 3 into x1. So 3 into x1 is -2. So 3 into -2 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Then y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So m value is 2 into y2, that is -4 plus n, that is 3 and y1, that is 3. So 3 into 3 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Then z coordinate is m z2 plus n z1 divided by m plus n. So m value is 2 into z2, that is 6 plus n, that is 3 into z1, that is 5 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3, adding these two. So you get here p 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into -2, that is -6. So this plus becomes minus and 2 into 3 is 6 divided by 2 plus 3, that is 5. 2 into -4 is -8 plus 3 into 3 9 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 into 6 12 plus 3 into 5 15 divided by 2 plus 3 5 equal to p. 2 minus 6 gives you -4 divided by 5. -8 plus 9 is 1 divided by 5. 12 plus 15 is 27 divided by 5. So these are the coordinates of the point that divides the given line AB internally in the ratio 2:3. Now we have to find same ratio but externally. The points are same, so this is x1, y1, z1 remains same, x2, y2, z2 remains same and m is to n remains the same. But externally you have to replace all this positive sign by the negative sign. Okay, so the formula will come same, so I am just going to replace this positive sign by the negative and write the same thing. Okay, so externally m is to n equal to 2:3. Okay, so here 2 into 1 as it is. I am just replacing plus by minus. 3 into -2 divided by 2 minus 3. The 2 into -4 as it is, plus becomes minus. 3 into 3 divided by 2 minus 3. Then here 2 into 6 plus becomes minus. 3 into 5 divided by 2 plus 3, so becomes 2 minus 3. Okay, replaced by negative sign. If you don't want to do, use the same result, put all the values once again, it will be the same way. Now here 2 into 1 is 2, minus and minus plus, 3 into 2 is 6, divided by 2 minus 3 is -1. 2 into -4 is -8, minus 3 into 3 9, divided by 2 minus 3 is -1. 2 into 6 12, minus 3 into 5 15, divided by 2 minus 3 is -1. 2 plus 6 is 8, divided by -1. -8 minus 9 is -17, divided by -1. 12 minus 15 is -3 divided by -1. So this minus will go up and denominator 1 we don't need to write, so we can write here minus up. So -8, minus and minus cut, so here 17, here also minus cut, so 3. So these are the coordinate of the point which divides AB externally in the ratio 2:3. Question number 2. Given that 3, 2, -4, Q, 5, 4, -6 and R, 9, 8, -10 are collinear, find the ratio in which Q divides PR. Let Q, 5, 4, -6 divide P, this one, 3, 2, minus 4, call it x1, y1, z1, and R, that is this point, 9, 8, minus 10, call it x2, y2, z2 in the ratio k is to 1. Then coordinates of q are, okay, so the first I'll write coordinate of q, 5, 4, minus 6. And instead of the section formula, if you place instead of m you put k and n you put 1, okay, for all these, then the value what you get is kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1, kz2 plus z1 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so let us place all the values. So k as it is, x2 value is 9 plus x1, that is 3, divided by k plus 1 as it is. Then k as it is, y2. So y2 value is 8. So 8 plus y1, that is 2, divided by k plus 1. K z2. So z2 is minus 10 plus z1, that is minus 4, divided by k plus 1. Now we compare the coordinates on both the sides. So let us compare the first one. So 9k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to this side, first one is 5. K plus 1 transfer over here, multiply with 5. So here remains 9k plus 3 equal to 5 into k plus 1. 5 multiply in the bracket. So 5k, 5 into 1 plus 5. 5k transfer over here becomes minus 5k, plus 3 transfer over here becomes minus 3. So 9k minus 5k gives you 4k, equal to 5 minus 3 gives you 2. Implies 4 transfer over here, so k equal to 2 by 4. Cut by 2, so we get 1 by 2. That means Q divides PR in the ratio 1:2. So that is solution for question number 2. Question number 3. Find the ratio in which YZ plane divides the line segment formed by joining the points -2, 4, 7 and 3, -5, 8. Call the first point as A, -2, 4, 7 and second point as B, 3, -5, 8. And this is a YZ plane which is dividing the line joining A and B. Now the point of line, intersection of line and the plane is this point. Okay, the line intersecting with the plane is this point P, and point P is in the YZ plane, and on the YZ plane the point is of the form P, x coordinate is 0 and y and z will have some value. So P will be 0, yz, and P is the point of division. Let YZ plane divide the line segment A -2, 4, 7, call this x1, y1, z1, and B 3, -5, 8, call x2, y2, z2 at P 0, yz. Okay, since it is in the YZ plane, you are taking P coordinate as 0, y and z. Okay, in the ratio k is to 1. So the formula is the same, this formula. Okay, so I write P 0, yz. The formula is the same, kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1. ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1 and kz2 plus z1 divided by k plus 1. So here as it is 0 yz, k as it is, x2 value is 3, so into 3 plus x1 value is -2 divided by k plus 1. K as it is into y2, so y2 value is -5 plus y1 is 4 divided by k plus 1. Then k z2, so z2 value is 8 plus z1, that is 7 divided by k plus 1. Okay, here we know we can now compare both the side the coordinates. Now here yz is unknown, so first you compare x coordinate, because x value is 0 we know. So if you compare these two, you will find the value of k, and if you suppose you want to find the y and z value, then the value which you find k from the comparing the first coordinate, put in this and you will get the y and z coordinate. Okay, they have not asked us, so we will find only the ratio. So comparing the coordinates, so we will compare the first coordinate first. So here 3k -2 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, I have compared here, comparing the coordinates. 3k -2 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. K plus 1 transfer over here, multiply with 0, it will cancel. So here remains 3k -2 equal to 0. -2 transfer over here becomes +2, so 3k equal to 2. Now 3 transfer in the denominator, so k value is 2 by 3. That means YZ plane divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Okay, 2:3. So that is solution for question number 3. Question number 4. Using section formula, show that the points A 2, -3, 4, B -1, 2, 1 and C 0, 1 by 3 and 2 are collinear. That P, X, Y, Z divide A, this point 2, -3, 4, call it x1, y1, z1, and B, this point -1, 2, 1, call it x2, y2, z2 in the ratio k is to 1. Okay, now the formula which I have given before, I am going to use this. Okay, so the formula I am using directly. So P, X, Y, Z equal to K, X2. So K x2 is minus 1 plus x1. So x1 is plus 2 divided by k plus 1. Then k y2. So k y2 is 2 plus y1, that is minus 3 divided by k plus 1. And k z2, that is 1 plus z1, that is 4 divided by k plus 1. Now we find value of k at which point P coincides with C. That means this x, y, z equal to the coordinate of C which are given to us. I take is 0, 1 by 3 and 2. So using this coordinate we shall find the value of k and check that value of k. For that, if these two other coordinates are equal to the coordinate of C, then we say that both are the same point, and so we can say that the 3 points are collinear. Okay, so let us check the first one. So minus 1 into k is minus k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. Okay, and equate with the first coordinate, that is 0. Transfer k plus 1 and multiply with 0, it will cancel. Here remains minus k plus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 transfer over here becomes minus 2. Here minus k, minus 2, minus minus cancel, so you get k value as 2. Now we shall check that y and z coordinate for these two. For the value of k equal to 2, it comes to be the y and z coordinate of C. Then we can say that P and C are the same point. Okay, so putting k equal to 2 in these two values. So here 2k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Put k equal to 2. So 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 2 into 2 4 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 3, and this is nothing but your y coordinate of point C. Okay, so one coordinate, second coordinate is true. Now let us check the third one. So k into 1 is k plus 4 divided by k plus 1. Okay, this one. Put the value of k as 2. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, cut by 3, so you get 2 equal to z coordinate. Okay, so that is the point or the third coordinate of point C. Therefore P x y z equal to C 0 1 by 3 comma 2 is the point that divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. So that is solution for question number 4. Question number 5. Find coordinates of points that trisect the line segment joining points P4 2 minus 6 and Q 10 minus 16 6. Let R and S be the points that trisect line segment PQ. That means PR equal to RS equal to SQ. Therefore point R divides PQ in the ratio 1:2, and therefore coordinates of R will be given as 1 into 10 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. I am using the formula, this one, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Then my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So let us put the second one. So m is 1 into, I call this as x1 y1 z1, and this one as x2 y2 z2. So m, that is 1 into y2, that is minus 16, plus n, that is 2 into y1, that is 2. So 2 into 2 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. Then the third coordinate is this one. Okay, so let us put here n, that is 1 into z2, that is 6, plus n, that is 2, and z1, that is minus 6 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. So here 1 into 10 is 10, 2 into 4 is 8, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then here minus 16 into 1 is minus 16, plus 2 into 2 4, divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, divided by 3. 10 plus 8 is 18 by 3, minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12 by 3, 6 minus 12 is minus 6 by 3. Then you can cut here, by all the numbers can be cut by 3, so you get here 6, here you get minus 4, and here you get minus 2. Again, S divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. Okay, we have taken the 2 points R and S with the points that trisect the line segment PQ. Okay, so first we have found the coordinate of R which divides PQ in 1:2 ratio. Now S which will divide PQ in 2:1 ratio. Okay, so again the same formula I am going to use, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Then my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, and mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so let us place the value directly. This value is x1 y1 z1, this value is x2 y2 z2. Okay, so let us place the value m x2 plus n x1. So m is 2 into x2 is 10. Okay, 10 plus n, the n is 1 into x1, that is 4. Okay, so 4. So 1 into 4 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. Then m y2 plus n y1, so 2 into y2. So y2 is minus 16. Okay, so put minus 16 plus n, that is 1, and y1, that is 2. So 1 into 2 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. And the last one is m z2 plus n z1. So m is 2, z2 is 6. Okay, so put 6 here, and plus n, that is 1, and z1 is minus 6. So minus 6 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. So here 2 into 10 is 20, plus 1 into 4 is 4, divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 16 into 2 is 32, but it is negative, so minus 32, plus 2 into 1 is 2, divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into 6 12, plus 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, divided by 3. 20 plus 4 is 24 by 3, minus 32 plus 2 is minus 30 by 3, 10 minus 6 is plus 6 by 3. Okay, each term can be cut by 3, so here when you cut you get 8, here when you cut you get minus 10, and when you cut here you get 2. Okay, so that is the points, coordinates of the point which dissect the line segment joining the points P and Q. So that is the solution for question number 5. So we end the exercise 12.3. Thank you very much.